Hello friends, this is the second video regarding the UPSC CMS interview preparation, and in this video we will discuss some of the initial set of questions that IAS will ask. So after introduction, first set of question will be asked by IAS officer only, and you have to be very quick with the answer because IAS holds the maximum marks, and we know that first impression is always a last impression. So in the initial set of questions, which are the very general questions, you have to be very quick with the answer. So the questions will be like, for example, what are you currently doing, and what all you have done after MBBS. So we have already discussed this question in introduction. So if you are preparing for NEET PG, then they can ask you your previous scores or rank, and if you are doing PG, then they will ask you your college, your branch, your residency year, and why you have chosen that branch. And if you are doing GRship or SRship, they can ask you department and your work over there. And if you are if you are placed in any state MO or ASIC or AFMC, then they will ask you this in a comparative way, that which job will you prefer if you are selected for CMS interview. So this can be the initial set of question. The next question will be, why do you want to choose CMS or any other government job and not a private job? So some points are that it is a secure job, timely salary is there, more patient burden, so more clinical exposure is there, regular promotions, etc. So you can also add your points, but you have to be very quick with the answer. You don't have to think over there. So prepare with this answer. Next question can be, why you have chosen doctor as a profession. So the points can be, it is a respected job, and it gives us opportunity to serve society. It is a ever evolving field. Lot of research and development is possible in this future, and it provides us with the good salary and satisfaction, etc. And other points you will have to add according to your thinking. Next question can be, what are your contribution to the benefit of the society except being a doctor? So this is very common question they generally ask you. So you have to tell about any NGO you are working with, or any type of health promotion that you have did, or guidance to the juniors, etc. So this can be the or mentorship you are doing to your juniors. So this can be the other benefit that the doctor can provide except the medical benefits to the society. So after this initial basic set of question, IAS will ask other panel members to ask the question. So other panel members will be, one medicine is there, one member for surgery is there, one member for obs-gyne is there. These are the fixed members. The fourth members can be from pediatrics, from orthopedics, or PSM. So these three members are fixed, and fourth members can be pediatric, orthopedic, and PSM. So the main thing is that you have to be very confident with the answer that you are giving, and you don't have to provide any wrong information, because they can easily catch you if you are providing any false information to them. And if you do not know any answer, then just simply say that, sir, I am not able to recall. Directly don't say that I don't know the answer. So just say that I am not able to recall. Never argue on any point with the IAS officer or any panel members whether they are wrong or right. So whatever they are saying, just listen to them and just say yes or okay. Never argue on any point. Never say that I have not studied this topic. If you are asked any topic and you don't know that topic, just say that I am not able to recall. I know the answer, but I am not able to recall it. For any queries or any problem, you can comment below the video. We will answer over there only, so that other students with the same query can also get benefit. And also you can like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Upcoming videos are there regarding other questions from the panel members of subject wise panel members. And also you can join a Telegram or WhatsApp group. Link will be there in the description. Thank you.